better think about what you're saying. You better think about the consequences of your actions.
You better think about what you're trying to do to me. Yeah, think. Let your mind go, let yourself be free.
Can I have a good translation in French?
Yeah,
And that is a problem.
c'est.
Si, l'un des problèmes, tu vois, c'est ça, c'est quand tu arrives dans un pays étranger et que tu as en plus la barrière de la langue, tu ne peux même pas prouver la personne que tu es. You know, when you reach somewhere in one country and you don't know how to speak.
If there is also a language barrier. Yeah. So there is a cultural barrier and language barrier, and you don't know where you're at. It makes it very difficult to communicate and to let this other person know who you are as a person.
Yeah. I also facing the same problem. Like when I walk down the street, like almost every Dutch people here speaking English. So when in the beginning when I speak with them in English, they have like good expression about me, and they feel good unless they ask me about my name or where I'm from, and here the trouble comes. Like,
Muhammad the Prophet.
Because many times it happened with me when I'm speaking with someone, and when he just asks me about my name or where I come from, and I tell him like, my name is Muhammad, and I'm from Syria. Boom! It's time for a lot
in your face. Take it to your face.
I don't know why. I mean, so I feel like a nice person. So why he will have this reaction? I mean, even he just got to even just to hide it. I mean, just try not to show it from me. Have it from the inside, but don't give me that bad negative reflection because I believe if that's happening, I mean, the Syrian people, if they came here, that's will cause like bad reaction, and they will not like the country, start to make problems, and that's on the other hand would be such a big problem for the government. So if the people, if they didn't work together, that's will create more problems in the future. It's been going on more and more.
On va garder ça en mémoire. Moi, je crois qu'il y a beaucoup de gens peut-être qui vont peut-être regarder cette vidéo à un moment, mais surtout pour ceux qui sont des étrangers, vous avez une lourde responsabilité, c'est un peu la nôtre. Hein. C'est de pouvoir partager notre différence avec les autres malgré les barrières et avoir cette lourde responsabilité de pouvoir justement apporter parfois des informations aux gens qui les entendent. On doit pouvoir démontrer qu'on est tous de bonnes personnes. Comme on dit, être un être humain, c'est de pouvoir regarder l'autre en se disant que c'est un être humain avec ses fautes. Avec ses fautes, parce qu'après, c'est aussi ça qui crée un peu le radicalisme. C'est qu'à un moment donné, on n'accepte peut-être pas les fautes des autres. On n'accepte pas qu'ils nous regardent différemment. On n'accepte pas qu'ils nous traitent différemment. On n'accepte pas qu'ils s'inquiètent même quand ils nous croisent dans la rue et tout. Tout d'un coup, nous-mêmes, on se braque et tout, et on prend des positions extrêmement radicales qui font que, voilà, si on avait un jour pour objectif d'améliorer nos rapports, c'est pas la bonne démarche. C'est pas la bonne démarche. Voilà.
Translation.
Yeah. So it's made difficult for people to receive it because you take your position as well. It radicalizes people.
Yeah.
Because if people treat you that way, that's why I said, oh, what about me?
Yeah.
So you also approach people with a lot more restraint.
Yeah.
You're also generalizing.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a
that's
Dutch
true.
person. This is
That's
how they're
true,
gonna yeah.
That's
And that
a
just-
very bad reaction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On both sides. I think both sides need to be very careful.
Yeah.
How do you approach people? Remain open to the human being in front of you with all the mistakes, and he has plenty, every human being has.
Yeah.
Which also makes it more difficult because you made a mistake. I was right. Yeah, it's not because he's from Syria, it's because he's being a bit of a dick right now. It's something totally different.
Yeah, that's true.
It's two different things.
Yeah, I believe in this. But also, like, so many people like saying it's like they talking about rooted religious problem, like between Christian and Muslim, like they are European, we are from the Middle East, and that's also another pressure. Like, I don't want to make this expression for the people. I came in peace. I came in peace. I'm a human being.
Je vis en paix.